All right, guys, welcome to another Roadside Chat. Today's question is from an officer in Indiana. Would the single purpose container doctrine allow cops to search a vehicle's hidden compartment? All right. So the first thing we want to learn is, what is a single purpose container? Okay. A single purpose container is this doctrine that basically says some containers, by their shape, by their manner, under totality circumstances, the way that they're kept, what they're packaged in, things on the outside, are so telling of what the contents are that a reasonable officer would know that only contraband is inside. So, okay, that's a roundabout way. So in other words, a single purpose container is a container that announces its contents in a manner that only contraband is inside. Okay. Why this is important? This is important because under the Fourth Amendment, in order to search a container, you have to have usually probable cause plus search incident to arrest, probable cause plus motor vehicle, probable cause plus consent, probable cause plus exigency. In other words, there is no such thing as searching a container based off of probable cause alone. It doesn't exist. It's a unicorn. So single purpose container doctrine basically saves some of these searches. It allows, because the way that the Supreme Court looks at it is that a single purpose container would not have any privacy interest and so forth. Let me give you an example of a single purpose container. A drug package, right? A brick of cocaine. It's wrapped up in, paper or duct tape and so forth. Can you see inside of it? No. But do you know that it's packaged in a way that only contraband is inside? Yes. Therefore, you don't need any other reason to search it. The reason the package containing contraband is enough. But don't be fooled, because sometimes you'll have probable cause that a container has contraband inside, but it's not a single purpose container because it could have something else. Like, so for example, there's a case involving a cooler and the cop smelled the marijuana emanating from the cooler, and the cop opened the cooler and found marijuana. But the problem is, under this situation, the cooler was not near the guy. It wasn't search incident to arrest. It wasn't part of a motor vehicle. The problem is that there was no other reason to get into the cooler because it was not a single purpose container. The cooler could have other things in it, non-contraband, bologna sandwich, Capri Suns. You get my point, not just marijuana. And at this time it was contraband. All right. So now we get to the cop's question. Would the single purpose container doctrine allow cops to search a vehicle's hidden compartment? In other words, could the hidden compartment be viewed as a single purpose container? The answer is most likely not. I don't have any cases on it. I haven't seen it, but I don't really see courts, or at least prosecutors, applying the single purpose container to hidden compartments of a vehicle. And here's for good reason. Frankly, you don't need the single purpose container doctrine to save the day for these searches. Why? Because the cop is going to have probable cause anyway. And if you have probable cause plus motor vehicle, that is the motor vehicle exception. Why not just use that? Forget the whole more complicated argument about single purpose container. So that's really the answer here. We don't need the single purpose container to even search the hidden compartment, because you're going to have, if you have probable cause, you have probable cause, and just use the motor vehicle exception. All right. Hey, so I'm going to start, working on the format of these videos. Just repeat the question, do a better job repeating the question, like we do here. A little bit of a better reminder what the question is as we talk about it. And as we get more, I'll even try to, put some quotes in here from cases and so forth. Just realize I do the best job I can with the time I have, but we're getting better because you guys are giving me some great feedback about these. You're loving them. I like making them. There you go. All right. That's all I got for you. Do me a favor before you leave. Hit the like button. Comment. I don't care if it's a negative comment or a positive comment. I know some people, some cop haters out there watch my channel and they leave comments that are anti. Hey, you know what? This is a free country. You know what? Just leave a comment. If you don't agree with the video, don't agree with the video. That's totally fine. I mean, I'm not insulted. And then finally tell your friends about us. All right. All right. Until next time, my friends, stay safe.
When it comes to law enforcement training, we are the gold standard. Visit bluetogold.com or call 888-579-7796 to learn more about our training, books, and free webinars. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.